35. You can get a balance of 2,000. There you go for half. You can get a balance. Lady Bugasonia. What you were saying, you will balance me 2,000 from the money or remaining money. You will balance me 2,000 from the remaining money. Lay on your check, Asonia. You will still give me a balance of 2,000 from the money. You will balance me 2,000. No, you will give me a balance of 2,000. Correct. Balance can be used as a verb. You can balance this on your head. Or the word balance, it will not fall off. I'm well balanced. You see some goalkeepers, if you've got it's a penalty, the man will balance, waiting for you. He will do some tricks to make himself look larger, to intimidate you. Once you're intimidated, you're buff way. I lost balance. I lost my balance. You were poised like this. Suddenly something happens and this one leg gives and you go down. Number 36, we see. They welcome Bariowood. Welcome Bariowood. In a way, was welcome Barioga. Bariowood there. Lehoga. Welcome Bariowood. Only Igbo are saying a vacation. My friend, mind yourself. Oh, you buy how you was race. My friend, mind yourself. Oh, he got the British English. Be your age. We're going to go. We're not going to go. Be your age. Be your age. I'm going to lady. Even because somebody now, be his age. He told me to tell you to be your age. Oh, you. Be your age means, respect yourself. Is here be your age? Respect yourself. Be your age. Respect yourself. That's correct. 37 Wesley. It's an agreement. It's an agreement. What do you say? What did you say? The Nigerian man will say, no, the people Igbo man, Igbo speaker will say, what do you say? No, they don't know you. What do you say? What did you say? And also, what do you say? What do you say? What I say? I say, I pour General Maya, get the heater, get the feel. Over the number. I know, I said, get feel. Only you must say, a lay heater. Yes. So, what did you say? I don't know how many you what do you say? A lay heater. What can you feel? Yes, I'm interested. I'm game. I'm game means what do you say? It's I'm game. Means I'm interested. Are you game? Yes, I'm game. You want to pass it? I'm going to pass it. Number 38, Garcia. How can you move them people been a Lagos? Now, not that. Haha. And I just can't know now. And I just jump, and I just away. How can you move them been a Lagos? Now, not that. How can you move them been a Lagos? Now, not that. I was saying. Then I know English was one of my brothers who lives in Lagos is coming home today. Wrong. Nigerian English was one of my brothers who lives in Lagos is coming home today. One of my brothers, I'm not British English anyway. One of my brothers who live in Lagos, not lives, who live in Lagos is coming home today. Why? Because you don't have just one brother in Lagos. You have many of them. Many of them live in Lagos. Live is a plural verb, not a singular verb. And again, in Lagos, many of your brothers live there. But only one is coming home today. Only one of your brothers is coming home today. So, if you want to dissect, okay, let's delineate the information you want to give, separate them. I have many brothers in Lagos. How many are coming home today? One. So, one of my brothers, for the women never be in Lagos, women never have been in Lagos. They live in Lagos. One of my brothers who live in Lagos is coming home today. One is coming home today. Many live in Lagos. That's it. Now, Mama na Polly. Everyone and car, on us, Mama is calling you. Easy to move a jet or Mama na Polly. Yeah, bad English. Mama is calling you. No! British English can say it. Mom wants you. Mom wants you. The principal wants you. The HM wants you. The MD wants you. The admin wants you. What that means calling you. You can use the word calling. Somebody sitting out there, and I am here calling somebody down there. Immediately, you say, that person somewhere there looking to help me will say, Amaka, can't you see Okama calling you? Okama is calling you. Correct. Because it is still happening now. Not when I send you on an errand. You go there and say, hey, Okama is calling you. That's stupid. Okay. I'm going to go to somebody said, Okama wants you. But that reminds me, even when I say, I want you. You see, what's about the world? Am I here? I want to have a sexual relationship with you. Everybody say, I want you. Guess okay. Just like they say, I want us to be seeing each other. Guess am I here? In your person. I don't give it I guess I want us to be, girl, I want you. Give it 40. I think it's Zana calling me. Phone ring. I think it's Zana calling me. They had a pick your call. Now you can back. It just a pick. Pick is a verb. It can be used as a transitive verb. It can be used as a transitive verb. Meaning, it can use here, object here. It can use here, the object. Meaning that the action of the verb still remains with the subject. Now you say, pick your call. Pick up. Pick up. Once it concerns phone call, use up. Somebody's coming to pick me up. Correct. Pick your phone. Pick your book. I want to pick my child, to pick my wife, my brother, my sister, whoever you want to pick. Correct. You can also pick them up. But once it concerns calls, you cannot use it without pick. So without up. Pick up. I called you, but they didn't pick. No. I called you, but they didn't pick up. Correct. You know what further pick up. Oh, come on, pick up. Come on, pick. No. Come on, pick up. Correct. If I'm not pick here, bad English. If you call me, I will not pick your call. Bad English. If you call me, I will not pick up your call. Or you must if you call, not getting a call. Somebody say, if you call me, I will pick up. Simple. 41. And as I call, we are bomb. They are not here. And like I said, I said Nigerian English. I was answering call when you are calling me. It's when I was answering call when you were calling me. Simply, I was on the phone when you were calling me. I was on the phone. Yes. British English. I was on the phone when you were calling. That's what it should be. Call. Stop the noise, I'm on the phone. That's what it should be. Don't say, stop the noise, I'm making a call. No! I'm making a call. You're not making a call. I want to make calls. Correct. I want to make a call. But once you start making that call, once you start answering, once you start talking there, you are on the phone. So excuse me, I'm on the phone. Lower your voice. 42. I'm Ebiapa. When I get to go to the Ebiapa, the hand by Garcia, you have come again. The letter should be again. You have come again in your one and yours. I listen. But the question is, Mom, don't start. She said, Mom, Mom, you have come again. No. Mom, don't start. Mom, don't what? Start. You've started again. That's what you've started again. You've started again. Not you have come again. Mom, you have come again. Or transliteration. That's bad English. Ogabo, you should give the correct equivalent of the word, of the expression. Ogabo, the correct grammatical English equivalent. Okay, we're singing number 43. I'm singing, yes, or Gineme, Obasai. Yes, or Gineme, Obasai. They have a just yes, or Gineme, Obasai. And then I was singing, do what you like. It is not my cup of tea. Yes, or Gineme, Obasai. Not my cup of tea. Most Igbo people think that not my cup of tea means Obasai. Ask, what do you mean? Not my cup of tea means not the kind of thing I like. I get beans with plantain. Or plantain. Beans with plantain, it's small. Beans with plantain. It's not my cup of tea. You see. And we use ease because that will their food. Means beans with getting one and plantain. Beans and plantain or with plantain. It's not my cup of tea this evening. Not the kind of thing I like this evening. But if you want to say, do as you like, it's not my cup of tea. Wrong. British English. What's it? Do as you please. What you do is none of my business. Or it is none of my business. Or it is none of my concerns. It is none of my concerns. Asupana, it is none of your concern. No. Ogabo, it is none of your concerns. What you do is none of my concerns. That's not my business. But not my cup of tea means it's not the kind of thing I like. Okay, 43 was, onye we be here, as in class. We pick it up whatever. It's good we be here. Nigerian English, who has this big? You're wrong. Anything you have in your hand, you cannot ask who has it. Whatever you have in hand, if it is missing, it's not there. Once you pick up a thing, you say, lost but found. Who owns this book? Don't say, who has this book? No. Who owns this book? The book is there. You can see, you see your hand. Who has my book? The book is no longer there. It's missing.